Hello, kids. Welcome to a brand new English story. Are you ready to learn and have fun? Pause for interaction. Great. Today, we have a special story about a boy named Tim. Tim was a kind and friendly boy, but he had one little problem. He could never say no. Title appears on the screen: The Boy Who Couldn't Say No. Let's find out what happens when Tim says yes to everything. Scene 1. Tim's daily life, 2 a.m. to 6 a.m. Tim, a cheerful 10-year-old boy, waves at the audience. Narrator: Tim loved helping people, but sometimes he helped too much. Tim is walking to school when his best friend Jake runs up to him. Jake: Hey Tim, I forgot my lunch at home. Can I have your sandwich? Tim looks at his lunchbox. It's his favorite peanut butter sandwich. He hesitates but smiles. Tim: Okay. He hands over the sandwich, looking a little sad. Later at school, his classmates crowd around him. Classmate 1: Tim, can you do my math homework? Classmate 2: And mine too. Tim, nervous but smiling. Sure. Tim stays up all night doing extra homework. The next morning, he looks very tired at school. The teacher calls on Tim. Teacher: Tim, where's your homework? Tim, looking nervous. I was helping others, and I forgot. The teacher looks disappointed. Tim feels bad. He realizes he has a problem. Scene 2. Too many yeses. 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. Tim arrives home, exhausted. His mom asks him for help. Mom: Tim, can you clean your little brother's room? Tim sighs but forces a smile. Okay, Mom. Tim is tired, but he cleans the messy room. His little brother plays while Tim works hard. Later, Tim's neighbor, Mr. Brown, sees him outside. Mr. Brown: Tim, can you help me carry these heavy boxes? Tim's arms are already full of books, but he nods. Tim: Uh, okay. Tim struggles to carry the boxes. He almost drops them. He is too tired. That night, Tim lies in bed, staring at the ceiling. Narrator: Tim felt exhausted. He wanted to help, but he had no time for himself. Tim sighs and closes his eyes, thinking about what to do. Scene 3. A wise friend's advice, 10 to 14. The next day, at school, Tim's best friend Emma notices something is wrong. Emma: Tim, you look so tired. What's wrong? Tim: I always say yes to everyone. I don't want to make people upset. Emma thinks for a moment, then smiles. Emma: Tim, saying no is not bad. You should take care of yourself too. Tim looks surprised. Tim: But what if people get mad? Emma: If they are real friends, they will understand. Tim thinks about this. The next day, he decides to try it. Scene 4. Tim tries to say no. 14 to 18. Jake asks for Tim's lunch again. Jake: Tim, can I have your sandwich? Tim takes a deep breath and shakes his head. Tim: Sorry, Jake. This is my lunch. Jake looks surprised but shrugs and walks away. Tim feels proud. Later, classmates ask for homework help. Classmate 1: Tim, can you do my homework? Tim: I can help a little, but I won't do all of it. His friends understand and do their own work. Tim feels happy. At home, his mom asks for help again. Mom: Tim, can you clean your brother's room? Tim: I can help later, Mom. But first, I need to finish my own homework. Mom smiles and nods. Scene 5. Tim's new life, 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. Tim plays, reads, and enjoys his free time. He still helps, but only when he wants to. Narrator: Tim learned that saying no is sometimes the right thing to do. He felt happier and healthier. Tim waves at the audience, looking happy and confident. Narrator: Did you like the story? What would you do if you were Tim? Tell us in the comments. Text on screen. The end. Narrator: Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun English stories. See you next time. Happy music plays as the video ends.